17 ounces of milk before that, immediately before that.
It'll get long enough you can put a little
Little scrunchy
little
things.
thing in the top of her hair with a bow.
Giving her a kiss. But, oh yeah, let's go give Mom a kiss. Go give her a mommy. It's really hard right in there. Now you can hold it.
I love this dress.
That's cute.
Cute dress.
Yeah, Dr. Schroeder's favorite.
Look at she's got the little
Very
pretty.
can. Beautiful.
Let's not tell Diego about that.
Diego, what a name.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it's really like.
She wants down to get her.
Oh.
Oh.
Sleepy and loves Too much sugar.
Yeah, she's
Like.
That's so sugar high.
Boy, that cake was good. Delicious. Thank you. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Come on.
Yeah, there's all that sugar.
Yeah, there's all that.
Ariana.
She's got the thumb up.
She likes to point. No thumb in the nose.
Trying to get her to smile. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Does she pick at her blanket?
Yeah.
Hey.
Does she have a special blanket or pillow or something?
Hi.
Oh, look at this.
Hi. Oh, that's a good picture. Hi.
She does look like she got a sugar.
Yeah, I
Hi.
mean, she's become a bit unstable. Look at her.
It's almost like baby's first drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
It's that cocoa bean. There.
For her? Oh, thank you.